it's time to cook some steaks on the old Ninja Woodfire smoker. Tonight I'm not going to do it with smoked chips. I'm just going to cook regular old. I've got some marinated New York strips, and I'm going to show you how I do it, and hopefully that'll help you inform your purchase on it. The last steaks I did, I smoked. They were delicious. These ones we're going to use for a different purpose, so we're gonna cook them to a medium rare. That way, because we're going to reheat them. We're kind of meal prepping for the week. And let's get on with it, shall we? First, I'm just going to plug it in. We're going to put this on grill. We're going to go ahead and pull our temperature probe out. And we are going to plug in our temperature probe right over here. There's a little spot right over here. Plug that in, and I'm just going to let that hang for now. And we are going to beef rare. Then we're going to up it to, I'm going to cook it, medium rare is 3. I'm going to cook it to between rare and medium rare. And then I'm going to push start. So it's going to preheat now. And it will let me know when it is preheated. So while it's preheating, and it's still preheating right here, I'm going to find my medium-sized steak, because I want them all to be done about the same amount. So I'm going to put the one that's kind of the medium thickness, this one here, and I'm going to put this thermometer right dead center in the middle and all the way up to the hilt. Just make sure it's not sticking out anywhere. And now we are ready to cook those steaks. When it comes up and lets me know, it'll beep and say, add meat. Okay, now time has passed. It says add food. So now all we got to do is we got to open this up. And remember, this time we are not using our smoker basket. Last time I did, and I'll include some clips of that in this video, just so you know that what the difference would be. But the only difference would be is when we put it on preheat, we would have put some chips in here. This time I just didn't want to smoke my steaks. So it is preheated. Sounds good. And just close that door. And it says target temp is 112. I think I might go a little higher. Target temp is 114. Because it does hold over cook after that. It'll go up about another 10 degrees after you're done cooking it. Our current temp is 43 degrees on the inside of that steak. And I'm just going to let you watch that while I go clean off my cutting board. So you heard it beep. It says get food. So we're going to get our food. Did you hand me that cutting board? And a fork. Okay. All right, so now you can see. It looks delicious. It's done. I don't know, that whole process probably took 15 minutes. And look at that searing. Look at that sear. And that has to sit now for 5 minutes. Just so you get your through cook. Meanwhile, I'll put my thermometer away so that I always have it. That just goes, it's kind of cool. It just goes right up. Or upside down. It goes right just like that. Like that. I'm going to let this cool and I'll clean it